Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have another video in my car. If you guys could see, yes, I'm in my car because I am going to show you guys this really cool things that you guys could also keep in your car and that are convenient, helpful, and a pretty good idea in my opinion. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, subscribe. Let's just get this video started. Alright, so let me start by showing you guys this new device. This is Aroma Care, and that is how the box looks like. So this is pretty much what it is. This is a car diffuser. It's a very new thing to me. I'm very into scents and having my car smell good. I often get compliments on how good it smells inside my car. I usually keep it very, very clean, but I also like to add a nice smell in here. So this is a very unique brand and product. I'm really excited and looking forward to how this will work and how it will look. So let's just try this out. So it does come with this Aroma Care device. It's about the size of a little bit bigger than my hand, and it's black, sleek, and it's looks like this. It just has two buttons at the top. It's on light and as well as diffuser, and this looks like it's the hole where the air is going to come out. I feel like this is really good if you're on a road trip traveling, because sometimes the air can be not the greatest, and this can just humidify and purify the air a lot better in the vehicle. So it prevents drying out and just that dryness that is caused by being in a car and road tripping. So, and it will also smell really good. I did add a few drops of just this diffuser. This one is a citrus one. Also comes with this cable. It has this end which will attach to the diffuser, and it also has this which will attach to your USB port. And then it also comes with some instructions just in case you need some help, and I'm going to demonstrate how this works. I have this water bottle here, and I'm just gonna pour some water. It does have max line that you guys could use as guidance. So this is how the device looks like. Fill it with water, and okay, that's it. Not too much. And then I'm going to just twist the cap. There we go, it's secure, and I'm gonna take my cable and just plug it in right there. And then I'm going to also plug it in through this port over here. So there we go. And I'm just gonna turn on my car. So the light has turned on. Let's see, I guess I could press the light. So the light is a very nice blue color. This matches perfectly. I love that. And now I'm gonna click on the diffuser. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. So it's literally working like a humidifier, as you guys could possibly hopefully see. The air is coming out from the little hole up here, and it smells really good. I did put, like I said, a few drops of the oil and the water, and it's literally making the whole car smell awesome. I really like it. This would be a really good Father's Day gift. If you guys can't really think of a gift, this is very unique and very convenient. It fits perfectly in the cup holder, and I really enjoy it.